Yes, good morning. This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, tell Shata Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to view the phrasal verbs used in speaking. These are very commonly used in communication and these are also taught in academic studies. Phrasal verbs are very important. These are a part and parcel of day-to-day communication. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard and see these phrases and make a good practice with these phrases of daily use. Let's see up here. The first one is the news is not true. The news is not true. The news is not true. खबर सच नहीं है. The news is not true. The news is not true. खबर सच नहीं है. The news is not true. The news is not true. खबर सच नहीं है. In this phrase, there's some indication, there's a mention of news that is fake, that is not true. The news is not true. The news is fake. The news is fake. The news is not true. The opposite of true is fake. F-A-K, fake. Fake. The synonym of true is right, and the antonym of true is fake. Fake. The news is fake. The news is not true. The news is not true. The news is fake. Let's see the next phrase. Next phrase you see here. The wages of sin is hell. 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 बुराई का सिला जहन्नम है. The wages mean reward of sin. Sin means bad doings, ill doings is hell. The wages of sin is hell. The wages of sin is hell. बुराई का सिला जहन्नम है. The wages of sin is hell. बुरे कामों का सिला जहन्नम है. The wages means reward. The wages means reward, and sin means ill doings. The wages of sin is hell. The wages of sin is hell. The wages of sin is hell. बुरे कामों का सिला जहन्नम है. बुरे कामों का सिला जहन्नम है. The wages of sin is hell. Beautiful phrase. Let's see the next phrase. अगला जुमला देखिए. Billy and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. Billy और मैं दोस्त हैं. Billy and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. Billy और मैं दोस्त हैं. This shows the friendship. This phrase denotes the friendship. Billy and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. This phrase, this sentence denotes the friendship among persons. Billy and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. Let's see the next phrase. Next one is Mona is not at fault. 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 Mona गलती पर नहीं है. Mano is not at fault. Sorry, it's Mano. Mano is not at fault. Mano is not at fault. Mano गलती पर नहीं है. Mano is not at fault. At fault means to be in a fix, to be at fault. So Mano is not at fault. Mano is not at fault. Mano is not at fault. Mano गलती पर नहीं है. Let's see the next phrase. You see the next one is monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. Here you have the use of preposition in, not on. Monkeys live in trees, not on. We must use in. On is wrong. If right here on, monkeys live on trees, so that is wrong. So proper solution is in. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. बंदर दरख्तों पर रहते हैं. बंदर दरख्तों पर रहते हैं. बंदर दरख्तों पर रहते हैं. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. On is wrong preposition. So proper answer and proper preposition is in. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. बंदर दरख्तों पर रहते हैं. Next one is beauty is a source of joy. 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 हुसन हुसन जॉय खुशी का एक जरिया है. हुसन खुशी का एक माखिज है. हुसन खुशी का एक माखिज है. Beauty is a source of joy. Beauty is a source of joy. The preposition of will be used here. The beauty is a source of joy. हुसन खूबसूरती जो है वो खूबसूरती जो है वो खुशी का एक जरिया है. खुशी का एक माखिज है. Beauty is a source of joy. Beauty is a source of joy. खूबसूरती खूबसूरती एंजॉयमेंट का लुत्फ अंदोज़ी का एक माखिज है. खूबसूरती खुशी का एक माखिज है. These are very important phrases. My students, let's repeat them again. आइए इन्हें एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. These are commonly used in speaking. The first one is, you see here, the news is not true. The news is not true. Here we have the news. News is always in plural, but the helping verb is added as a singular. It is counted as a single, so we must write is not or. We cannot write or here. We have to write is here because news is said to be a singular noun. So the news is not true. The news is not true. As a singular noun, we will add is, not or. The news is not true. The news is not true. खबर सच नहीं है. And next is, the wages of sin is hell. The wages of sin is hell. The wages of sin is hell. Wages mean reward. So as we have a reward here, so definitely we will write here is, not or. The wages of sin is hell. The wages of sin is hell. The wages of sin is hell. बुरे कामों का नतीजा जहन्नम है. बुरे कामों का नतीजा, बुरे कामों का इनाम, बुरे कामों का नतीजा सिला जहन्नम है. बुरे कामों का सिला जहन्नम है. The wages of sin is hell. Wages means reward. बुरे कामों का सिला, गुनाह का सिला जहन्नम है. Sin means ill doings. बुरे काम, गुनाह, गुनाह का सिला जहन्नम है. And next is, Billy and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. Billy और मैं दोस्त हैं. When we connect two singular nouns, Billy and I, either he, pronoun he and I, so by rules, by the grammatical rules, we have to write here and here. Billy and I are friends, and we will write here are instead of is. Billy and I are friends because Billy and I will be considered as a plural. Billy and I will be considered as a plural. So he and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. So helping verb will be written as, not is. So Billy and I are friends. Billy and I are friends. Billy और मैं दोस्त हैं. And next is, Mano is not at fault. So Mano is not at fault. Preposition at is used. So Mano is not at fault. Before fault we add preposition at. Mano is not at fault. Mano is not at fault. Mano गलती पर नहीं है. Mano is not at fault. Mano गलती पर नहीं है. And next is, monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. बंदर दरख्तों में रहते हैं. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. बंदर दरख्तों में रहते हैं. Not on. On is wrong. So preposition in is required here by grammatical rules. So monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. बंदर दरख्तों पर रहते हैं. And last one is, beauty is the source of joy. Beauty is the source of joy. Beauty is the source of joy. हुस्न खुशी का एक जरिया है. Beauty is the source of joy. हुस्न खुशी का एक जरिया है. Beauty is the source of joy. हुस्न खुशी का एक जरिया है. Beauty is the source of joy. हुस्न खुशी का एक जरिया है. Hey, you are my students. These are very interesting phrases. Memorize these phrases. These are commonly used in general speaking. And do subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. I wish you all the best. See you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.